Police Assistance Line. We are currently experiencing a high volume of calls. If you're in an emergency situation, hang up and dial 000. If your inquiry relates to information about COVID-19, information can be found at www.covid-19.sa.gov.au. SA Police, how can I help you?
Yeah, hi, I'm currently following a Commodore S580 BMM. I'm coming up the Wellington Road in between Strathalbyn and Mount Barker.
Right.
He's just headed up towards Mount Barker. He's driving extremely erratically, speeding up, slowing down, and he's all over the road.